J.S. Moshiri, and he will be an ambassador from Mount Kenya. For the words of God that you will use will bring global peace on this earth. There are so many things here, liturgical things concealed in Mount Kenya. Some were concealed by the Egyptians. They were all concealed there. The people to lead global peace are the people who are living at the bottom of Mount Kenya. They are calling them in America, they are calling them Wakanda. And all of us are Wakanda. We are Wakanda. So they have come to visit Wakanda, and after that, our dream will be realized. Not only the museum, but the world population now will start flocking here to receive the blessings from God. This is a very important day. It might look as an ordinary day, but this is the beginning of the what we call global peace. Global peace cannot be attained by political setups or monetary circles, but by the psychic energies that we receive from Mount Kenya. Mount Kenya was known by all great prophets and great kings, especially the kings of Egypt, who are known as pharaohs. In the Bible, it is the mountain of Zayuni. Zion is not a Jewish name, no English name. It is an African name. Zion meaning Thayu, and Thayu is peace. I don't know how Zion became an English word, because it's an African word meaning peace. So that's when the elders play, they say, Tuthaiye Ngai Thayu, that is, peace be unto you. Peace be unto you. We are going to Mount Kenya now. The ritual we are performing there is within what we call esoteric wisdom. It is not something for simple people. It is not a ritual for simple church goers or simple Muslim temple goers. It is for the special, anointed people of God like Quadre and Mike.
And in the holy hills of Mount Kenya, the 12 elders fast for 40 days while they do maintenance on the sacred African tablets. And at the end of the fast, we face the mountain, hands raised, eyes open. Repeat after me.
Repeat after me. Today we have come under the sun, facing Mount Kenya, together as one, standing as one, chanting as one. Now let peace come through the power of one. Yeah, yeah. Thayu, Thayu, Ngai, Thayu. Yeah, yeah. Thayu, Thayu, Ngai, Thayu. Yeah, yeah. Thayu, Thayu, Ngai, Thayu. Yeah, yeah. Yeah. Let freedom come. Let healing come. Let unity come to the black nation.